Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fun with Fundamentals. In today's video of Basic Maths, we will be studying some tricks and techniques that will help you in calculating square of any number easily. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at some important identities that you should always remember. They are a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Everyone should have these identities memorized thoroughly. Next, you must remember squares of numbers from 1 to 30. Now, let us take a look at a trick that helps you calculate square of any number that ends with 5. For any number ending in 5, to calculate its square, we take the number remaining without 5 from the unit place and multiply it by its successive integer. To the result obtained, we place 25 at the end of it. So for example, if we have to calculate square of 65, we remove 5 and are left with 6. We multiply 6 by its successive integer, that is 7, and get 7 multiplied by 6 equals to 42. To this 42, we place 25 at the end of it to get 4225, which is the correct value of 65 square. So if a number is n5, to calculate n5 square, we do n multiplied by n plus 1 and place 25 at the end of it. Thus 95 square is equal to 9 into 10, 25 equals to 9025. 125 square is equal to 12 into 13, 25 is equal to 15625. 75 square is equal to 7 into 8, 25 is equal to 5625. Thus, you can easily calculate square of any number ending in 5. Now, let us take a look at another trick with the help of which you can calculate square of any 2 or 3 digit number. This trick uses the identity a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square in a very unique way. Now normally you would write 65 square as 60 plus 5 square and use the identity. But for this trick we write 65 square is equal to 6 plus 5 square and make 3 separate columns for a square, 2ab and b square. As shown in the video, we have 3 columns for 6 square, 2 into 6 into 5 and 5 square. Calculating them gives us 36, 60 and 25 in the next row as shown. Now the thumb rule for this trick is you start from the right and only keep the numbers in the unit place. Remaining numbers are carry forwarded to the column in the left. So in the rightmost column you have 25. Here we keep 5 and 2 is forwarded to the left where it is added to 60, which gives us 62. In this 62 we keep 2 and 6 is forwarded to the left where it is added to 36, which gives us 42. Thus in the last row we have 42, 2 and 5, or 4225, which is the square of 65. Let us take a look at some examples so that you can understand this trick completely. For 73 square, we do 7 plus 3 square, which gives us 7 square, 2 into 7 into 3 and 3 square in our 3 columns, which equate to 49, 42 and 9 in the next column. Now we start from the right. As we only have 9, we keep 9 and nothing is forwarded. Left of 9 we have 42. So we keep 2 and 4 is forwarded to the left where it is added to 49 to give 53. Thus we have our final answer as 5329. For 97 square we do 9 plus 7 square, which gives 9 square, 2 into 9 into 7 and 7 square in our 3 columns, which equate to 81, 126 and 49 in the next column respectively. Now we start from 49. We keep 9 and 4 is forwarded to left and added to 126, which gives us 130. Now 0 is kept and 13 is forwarded to the left and added to 81, which gives 94. Thus we have our final answer as 9409. For 123 square, we do 12 plus 3 square and not 1 plus 23 square. Remember to keep only a single digit number in the place of b in our a plus b square. Thus, for 12 plus 3 square, we get 12 square, 2 into 12 into 3, and 3 square in our 3 columns, which equate to 144, 72, and 9 in the next column respectively. Now we start from 9. As 9 is in the unit place, we keep 9 and nothing is forwarded to the left. Next, we have 72 to the left of 9. For 72, we keep 2 and 7 is forwarded to left and added with 144 to give 151. Thus, we have our final answer of 15129, which is equal to 123 square. For 1425 square, we do 142 plus 5 square and get 142 square, 2 into 142 into 5 and 5 square in our 3 columns. Now we calculate 142 square first. For 142 square, we do 14 plus 2 square and get 14 square, 2 into 14 into 2 and 2 square in our 3 columns, which equate to 196, 56 and 4 respectively. We start with 4. We keep 4 and nothing is forwarded. Next, for 56, we keep 6 and 5 is forwarded to left and added to 196 to get 201. Thus, we have 142 square equal to 20164. Coming back to 1425 square, we now have 20164, 1420 and 25 in our 3 columns. We start from 25. We keep 5 and forward 2 to be added to 1420. We get 1422 where we keep 2 and 142 is forwarded and added to 20164 to get 20306. Thus we have our final answer of 1425 square is equal to 2030625. I hope you understood all the tricks explained in the video. Keep practicing them to get better and quicker in your calculations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, share and subscribe. And have a great day.